Starting an investment company might seem like a big task, but with the right steps, it can be a rewarding journey. First things first, what's your game plan? You need a solid business plan. Think of it as your roadmap. It should outline your business goals, target market, and the types of investments you want to focus on. It doesn't have to be perfect from the start, but it should be clear enough to guide you. Now, let's talk about the legal stuff. You'll need to register your business. This is where legalregistration.com can help. With just a few clicks, you can handle all your incorporation needs. Remember, picking the right business structure is crucial. Will you be a sole proprietor, an LLC, or something else? Each has its own pros and cons. Another consideration is your firm's strategy. Will you focus on equity investments, real estate, or other types of assets? Identifying your niche helps in targeting the right investors and understanding the market demands. Next, you'll need capital. How much money do you need to start? This depends on your business plan. Consider reaching out to investors or even friends and family who might be interested in supporting your venture. You could also look at small business loans as an option. Be sure to also explore angel investors or venture capitalists, as they can offer not only funding, but valuable industry connections. Having the right financial backing can set you on a solid path toward growth. Now, onto the fun part, building your team. You'll likely need a few key players. Think about hiring a financial advisor, an accountant, and someone with marketing skills. Having the right team can make all the difference. As your business grows, you may want to expand your team to include specialists like a compliance officer or legal advisor. Having experts in various areas ensures that you're fully prepared for any challenges that arise. Don't forget about the technology. Having the right tech tools is essential. From portfolio management software to accounting systems, investing in the right technology will help streamline your operations. Marketing your company is key. You need clients to invest with you. Consider digital marketing strategies like social media and content marketing to get the word out. Building a strong online presence can attract clients who are looking for investment opportunities. Networking in the investment industry is equally important. Attend investment conferences and build relationships with potential clients, partners, and other industry professionals. Word of mouth and referrals can go a long way in this business. And of course, never stop learning. The investment world is always changing. Keep up with the latest trends and regulations. Continuous education can give you an edge over the competition. Visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 for more guidance on starting your investment company. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on starting and running a successful business. Thanks for watching.